I'm here with your Central Kentucky real estate market update. I'm going to talk about all of Central Kentucky, then we're going to bring it back to Lexington, talk about the numbers in Lexington, what's happening, what I'm seeing from the front lines right now in the real estate market, and what I see happening moving forward. My name is Bob Sophiea. I'm the leader of the New Home Collective. Our team has sold close to 2,000 homes, and we have over 900 Google reviews. More and more, the more my business matures, the more I realize how important people are for my business. And I want you to know that I'm not into short-term relationships. I've been here for over 10 years. I'm going to be here for the next 30, hopefully, right? In any way that I can help you with your real estate, whether it's lawn, gutters, roofing, construction, additions, mortgages, title, attorneys. I have connections in all of those fields, and I'm happy to share them with you. Just reach out and I'll share the top of the top, the people the cream that's rose to the top in my business, that supported my business and my clients. Let's get into the numbers. Out of the 30 counties our MLS covers, there were more listings. It was only a small percentage. It was 1.5% more than March of 2023. There were 1,447 in March of 23. This year, there's 1,468. Any green number on the amount of listings makes me happy. 8.9% more houses went pending last month in March than March of 2023. Went from 1,228 to 1,337. Here's another green arrow, the average sales price. The average sales price went from 273.5 to 305,499. So that's an 11.7% increase in the average sales price. And I think that has something to do with the fact that only 1.5% more houses hit the market. So when these houses don't hit the market, everybody wants to move to Central Kentucky, right? I mean, I love it so much. I can't imagine living anywhere else. But that's how other people feel too. Everybody else wants to live here too. No houses are hitting the market. The demand for housing goes up and up and up. And as these interest rates drop, we're seeing that the price is going up. Lexington, new listings dropped 5.6%. So this year, only 371 houses hit the market in March. Compared to 2023, there were 393. So that was down 5.6%. Pending sales went up 13% because the listings were up in February. So we follow that trend, right? The listings go down, new listings go down, the pending sales go down. One thing that went up was the average sales price because we didn't get that many listings, right? The listings went down. We did get a few listings. The listings go down, the prices go up because the demand, people are still wanting to live here. What I'm hearing, what I'm seeing, people have softened a little bit. You know, they're more open to moving than they were last year, right? Last year, the previous year, all but shut down. The only people that were moving were people that got transferred or got divorced or died. I mean, those are the only people we're seeing moving in the market last year. Now this year, we're starting to see more and more as those interest rates go down and as other options for selling and for buying come into play. You know, not really going to get into the lawsuit. I'm not going to get into it right now, the NAR thing. But what we're seeing is like what it's done is it's creating new options for buyers and new options for sellers that weren't there before. Our team and investors we work with, we're currently making offers on any property that somebody wants an offer on. We'll put the link in the video. If you're concerned about the timeline of moving or maybe not finding a property because the new listings are down, click that link. We'll get you an offer within 24 hours on your house, on your timeline, on your terms, no repairs to the house. That's a big thing that's happening in this market. We're seeing a lot of off-market opportunities. So not just for sellers, but for buyers. If you're waiting for a house to hit the MLS and you're really looking for a place to move, something's going to really change the dynamic of your family. It's going to make it an easier place for you to live. You need to be working with an agent that's fighting to find you opportunities off market. And that's what we're doing all day for our clients. So that's the trend that I'm seeing. I'm seeing a lot more stuff happen off market. I'm seeing a lot more stuff where people are choosing the timing and the convenience of selling off market. That doesn't show in these numbers, but I guarantee you if we run it against the PVA and the properties that are actually selling off market, there's a lot more happening than were happening before. So what I see happening in the future, I see these trends like the price is going down, but people starting to find different opportunities to buy properties. But it's people putting their houses on the market. At the end of the day, there has to be houses for people to buy or houses don't sell. So if you or anyone you know has a property they want to sell and you're looking to get top dollar for it, make sure you connect with us because we got people lined up waiting for opportunities to buy. I say this, I found some statistic, and I don't know if this is right, but it said there were like 50,000 vacant homes in Lexington. Does that make sense? What does that mean? It's like 43,700 maybe was the number. It just sounds crazy to me. If you know anybody that has a vacant home and they just don't want to deal with the hassle of it anymore and they want to sell it, be sure to reach out. We'll get you an offer on the property within 24 hours. Thanks again for watching this video. I hope there was some information that was valuable in there. If there's different numbers you want to look at or want to talk about, go ahead and shoot me a message. And if you want a specific breakdown for your neighborhood, for your house, the link to get your home's value will be in this. And if you're looking for insight from me on, the best play and the best plan for your property, just go ahead and shoot me a message and I'll get back with you right away. All my contact information will be in the description, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.